Good morning, students. Today in geography, we will revise chapter 7 South America. South America is lying south to the North America, and it is the fourth largest continent after Asia, Africa, and North America. It is shaped like a carrot with a broad top that tapers to a point to the south. South America is a continent of extremes. It has the world's largest river, the driest desert, the largest wetland, the densest forest, and the longest mountain chain. So now let us see about the location. The location of South America stretches north to south for a distance of around 7,000 kilometers. It extends from 12 degree north to 55 degree south latitude. And after that, the continent extends in an east to west direction for around 4,353 kilometers from 35 degree west to 81 degree west. South America is bounded by the Caribbean Sea in the north and northwest, Atlantic Ocean in the northeast, east and southeast, the Pacific Ocean in the west, and the Southern Ocean in the south. The continents neighboring it are North America to the north, and Africa to the east, and Antarctica to the south. South America is joined to North America by the Isthmus of Panama. Panama is joining South America to North America, while the Drake Passage separates the continent from Antarctica. Its southernmost tip is Cape Horn. And after that, let us see about the political divisions. There are 12 countries and 3 major territories. 12 countries here: Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay, Chile, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname. And after that, territories: Falkland Islands, South Georgia and South Sandwich Island, and one more, French Guiana. These 3 are the territories, and 12 are the main countries. 12 countries and 3 major territories. And after that, let us see about the physical divisions. Physical features. Physical divisions. The South America can be divided into 4 physical regions: the Western Mountains, the Central Lowlands, and the Eastern Highlands, and the Coastal Plains. These are the 4 physical divisions. The Western Mountains, mainly the Andes mountain, are the western side of the continent, and they are young fold mountains. They are young fold mountains. Here other volcanic mountains are there: Mount Cotopaxi, Mount Aconcagua. These are the volcanic mountains and peaks. The Mount Aconcagua, also a volcanic peak, is the highest peak in South America. And after that, valleys also. Some valleys are also there. Magdalena River Valley, Altiplano, the example of valleys. And after that, two important lakes are located on the Altiplano. Lake Titicaca and Lake Pupo. It is about the western mountains. Now, after that, the central lowlands. Central lowlands, here, the central lowland, in this, the vast plains that occupy the central part of the continent, they are surrounded by the Andes on the west, Guyana Highlands, Mato Grosso Plateau, Brazilian Highlands, and in the east, Patagonian Plateau, and they have formed by four rivers: Orinoco, Amazon, Parana, Paraguay, Uruguay, Sao Francisco. These are the main rivers in South America. Orinoco Basin, Amazon Basin, and Parana, Paraguay, Uruguay Basin, and after that, the Sao Francisco Basin. Then after that, Eastern Highlands consist of the Guyana Highlands, Brazilian Highlands, and the Patagonian Plateau. Next, after that, the coastal plains. Coastal plains, there are the two narrow coastal plains along the northeast Brazil, and the other lies along the west coast of South America. And in between the Pacific Ocean and the Andes, the northeast coastal plain is narrow and is small and very dry. Next, after that, some drainage also. South America is drained by many rivers. And after that, here vital words are there in this chapter. Estuary. What is estuary? An area along the coastline where a river meets the ocean, that is called the estuary. River and sea or ocean. River are meeting, and directly when the river is meeting into the ocean, that is called the estuary, and they are both sides of the river, they are making the estuary. Residual mountains. What are residual mountains? Plateau-like landforms formed by the erosion of old mountain systems. That is called the residual mountains. Tipuis. Tipuis, what is that? Tipuis. Flat-topped, isolated highlands. That is called the tipuis. Next, after that, many questions are there. Yourself you have to do. I have given you the question and answers. Only the answers I have given you. Please prepare for the exam. And today some revision questions I have given you. Those also you have to solve. Okay. Thank you, students.